Experiencing issues with Peacock on your Hisense smart TV? You're not alone. This problem usually boils down to three main factors: software incompatibility, network hiccups, or hardware limitations. We'll break down these issues and give you the solutions. Specifically, outdated firmware on your Hisense TV, especially models older than 2024, might not support Peacock's encryption protocols, leading to app crashes or loading failures. A weak or unstable internet connection, less than 5 megabits per second, can cause buffering or black screens. Lastly, older Hisense models might lack the necessary RAM, less than 2 gigabytes, to smoothly run the Peacock app. We'll break down these issues and give you the solutions. The first and often most effective solution is to ensure both your Hisense TV's firmware and the Peacock app are up to date. For the TV, navigate to your Hisense TV's settings menu, typically found under System or Support, and look for Software Update or Firmware Update. Select Check for Updates and install any available updates. For the Peacock app, if you're using Roku, go to the Roku Channel Store, find Peacock, and check for an update. If you're on Android TV, go to the Google Play Store, search for Peacock, and tap Update if available. Many users have found success after applying these patches. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. First, try closing the Peacock app completely. Then, power off your Hisense TV, either using the remote or by unplugging it from the power outlet for about a minute. This clears the TV's memory and allows it to start fresh. After restarting, relaunch the Peacock app. This process helps clear temporary files and refresh the connection, often resolving minor software conflicts. Over time, the Peacock app can accumulate cached data that causes issues. To clear the cache on an Android TV Hisense model, go to Settings, then Apps, find the Peacock app, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. On Roku-based Hisense TVs, you can try removing the Peacock channel and then re-adding it. This clears the associated data. A stable internet connection is crucial for streaming. Without it, Peacock may not load or play properly on your Hisense TV. First, ensure your Hisense TV is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Check the network settings on your TV to confirm the connection. Test your internet speed using a speed test app on your TV or a separate device. This helps identify if your connection is fast enough. Peacock requires a minimum of 5 megabits for HD streaming. Anything less may cause buffering or poor quality. If your speed is insufficient, try restarting your router. This can refresh the connection and improve performance. If issues persist, consider contacting your internet service provider. They can check for outages or upgrade options. Ensure that Peacock is not being geo-blocked in your region. Some content may not be available based on your location. Try turning off any VPN to see if that resolves the issue. VPNs can sometimes interfere with streaming services. Login errors on Peacock can be frustrating. The most common issue is using incorrect email or password credentials. Common login problems include entering the wrong email or password, forgetting your password, or experiencing account syncing issues across devices. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option on the Peacock website or mobile app. You'll receive an email with reset instructions. Peacock uses OAuth for secure authentication. This system allows login without directly sharing your password, but syncing issues can occur if authentication tokens expire. For syncing issues, log out of Peacock on all your devices, wait a few minutes, then log back in on your Hisense TV. This refreshes the authentication tokens. As a workaround, try logging in on your mobile device first, then use screen mirroring to cast Peacock to your Hisense TV. This bypasses TV-specific login issues. Certain Hisense TV models, especially those running older versions of Roku OS or Android TV, have known compatibility issues with Peacock. Check Hisense's support website or community forums for firmware updates specifically addressing Peacock. For example, the Hisense R8G series had a glitch in 2025 where the Peacock app would freeze after a service outage. A firmware update was released that patched a memory leak to resolve the issue. Check the Hisense community forums to see if others have encountered a similar issue and resolved it. If you've tried all the previous steps and Peacock is still not working on your Hisense TV, it's time to contact Hisense and Peacock support directly. When contacting support, provide your TV model number, the Peacock app version, and a detailed description of the issue you're experiencing. Support teams may have specific troubleshooting steps for your situation or be aware of ongoing issues that affect multiple users. Remember, these problems are typically software-based and rarely require purchasing new hardware. To prevent recurring issues, enable auto updates on your TV and the Peacock app. Manual fixes are effective in 80% of cases. If the problem persists after all troubleshooting steps, don't hesitate to reach out to both Hisense and Peacock support for assistance.